Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS up to date and a bit of free storage before deep work. This prevents sync failures. First, check settings right arrow general right arrow software update and confirm you have space. Next, open settings right arrow mail right arrow accounts and identify each email type, IMAP, POP, or Exchange, because they sync differently. Once done, toggle mail off and back on for the affected account. Then force quit the mail app and relaunch it to trigger an immediate sync and test for updates. Now dig into the account details because credentials and server settings cause most hangs. Go to settings right arrow mail right arrow accounts right arrow select the account and re-enter your password. This refreshes tokens. Then inspect incoming and outgoing server addresses, port numbers, and SSL/TLS toggles. Use provider specs to match exactly. For a map, make sure mailbox behaviors map folders to server folders. For Exchange, verify active sync is enabled on the server. These steps, if settings look correct but mail still stalls, remove and re-add the account. Back up anything unsynced or ensure server copies exist before deleting. Once re-added, test on Wi-Fi and cellular. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. Make sure mail has cellular data permission in settings right arrow cellular. Finally, always verify the account works in webmail. If webmail shows new messages, the issue is device side. Otherwise, contact the provider for server-side support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.